Welcome to my next nutritious episode, and the fascinating world of honeydew. In a world bustling with modern marvels, there's something timeless about the honeydew melon. Join me on a journey through history and health as we uncover the secrets of this delectable fruit. A member of the melon family, has been cherished by civilizations for millennia. In fields of green, where sunbeams dance, sweet honeydew, a fruit of chance. Please watch my video to the end for a funny dialogue. Please subscribe. Thank you. Its tender flesh, so soft and fair, a taste of heaven in the summer air. Traced back to ancient Egypt, honeydew was revered for its sweet flavor and believed to have mystical properties. Our story begins over 4,000 years ago in the fertile lands of ancient Egypt. Honeydew melons were revered by the pharaohs, prized for their sweet taste and purported health benefits. Historical reenactment of ancient Egyptians offering honeydew to their gods. In fact, honeydew was offered to the gods as a symbol of fertility and abundance. You grew from ancient vines of old, your story has been often told in Egypt's heat, in French soil you were blessed. The honeydew as we know it today is a more recent arrival, developed in France in the 1800s. Its name is thought to derive from its unusually sweet taste compared to other melons at the time, reminiscent of honey. From its European beginnings, honeydew quickly spread around the world. American farmers began growing it in the late 19th century, drawn by its ability to thrive in hot climates. Today, the United States, Mexico, and Spain are major producers of these luscious melons. Beneath the rind, a world unseen, where nature's magic lies serene. With every bite, a burst of delight, a symphony of flavor, pure and bright. Melons come in various shapes, sizes, colors, and flavors, with some of the main varieties including cantaloupe, honeydew, watermelon, cassava, Crenshaw, Santa Claus melon, Gallia and Sprite melon. Medieval apothecary. A wise-looking herbalist gestures towards jars filled with various herbs and fruits, including honeydew melon. Throughout the ages, honeydew melons were not just a culinary delight but also treasured for their medicinal properties. Medieval herbalists prescribed them for ailments ranging from digestive issues to skin disorders. Don't let honeydew's mild taste fool you, it packs a serious nutritional punch. 1 cup of honeydew contains over half the recommended daily value of vitamin C, helping boost immunity. The honeydew became the best refreshing bites on summer's day, a worshipped fruit for health and zest. Of all the melons, you're one of the best. Health benefits. Rich in nutrients. Honeydew melon is low in calories but high in essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and folate. These nutrients are vital for maintaining overall health and well-being. Your rind so smooth, your flesh so neat, a succulent, nutritious treat with vitamins aplenty found, no equal could the earth expound. Hydration. With its high water content, about 90%, honeydew melon helps keep the body hydrated. Antioxidant properties. Honeydew melon contains antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, supporting the immune system, and protecting against chronic diseases. Promotes digestive health. The fiber content in honeydew melon promotes healthy digestion by adding bulk to stool and preventing constipation. It also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which contributes to overall gut health. Supports heart health. Potassium, a mineral found in honeydew melon, helps regulate blood pressure and maintain heart function. Consuming potassium-rich foods like honeydew melon may lower the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. Boosts immune system. The vitamin C content in honeydew melon plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system by enhancing the production of white blood cells, which help fight infections and illnesses. Skin health. The vitamin C and beta-carotene in honeydew melon promote healthy skin by supporting collagen production, which maintains skin elasticity and prevents premature aging. Additionally, the hydrating properties of honeydew melon can help keep the skin moisturized and glowing. Including honeydew melon in a balanced diet can help with weight management by providing a satisfyingly sweet treat without the guilt. Alkalizing properties. Honeydew melon has alkalizing effects on the body, which may help balance pH levels and reduce the risk of acidity-related health issues such as acid reflux and kidney stones. Eye health. The vitamin A content in honeydew melon supports eye health by promoting good vision, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, and protecting the eyes from damage caused by harmful UV rays. Oh, honeydew, with hues of pale, your essence, like a whispered tale. In gardens lush, you reign supreme, a jewel of sweetness, a cherished dream. They also bring people together, fostering moments of joy and connection amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life. Oh honeydew, you pale green orb, your gentle sweetness I absorb. A melon treats like morning dew, no fruit can match your taste so true. Selecting and savoring honeydew. To enjoy honeydew at its flavorful peak, look for a melon with an off-white or creamy yellow rind and a pleasant fruity aroma. Once you slice into that pale green flesh, you'll have a delightfully refreshing snack. The rind shouldn't be overly fuzzy, soft, or deeply colored. Honeydew is versatile too. Blend it into smoothies, toss it into salads, or enjoy it plain. From vine to table, you grace our plate, a gift of nature, so delicate. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between honeydew and watermelon. They are arguing over who is the most fashionable fruit in the fruit salad. Honeydew, well, if it isn't Ms. Watermelon trying to hog the spotlight as usual. Don't you know green is the new black this season? Watermelon, oh please, honeydew, that pale, washed-out color of yours screams, I'm a bland, boring fruit. My deep, luscious red is what all the fashionable fruits are raving about. Honeydew, boring? I'll have you know I'm the epitome of understated elegance. You're just a bright, over-the-top melon trying too hard. Watermelon, too hard? These gorgeous black seeds look like real gems. It gives me a naturally studded, glamorous look you couldn't pull off without trying. Honeydew, those unseemly black seeds make you look utterly tacky. I have a smooth, flawless interior. True beauty doesn't need embellishments. Watermelon, flawless? More like dew without honey. Everyone knows I'm the life of the fruit party with my juicy sweetness. Honeydew, sweetness? You mean sweet water with no sophistication. I have complex floral notes that delight refined palates. Watermelon, oh yeah, like what? Dusty, antique lady's perfume? Honeydew, why you arrogant, overripe. Cantaloupe. Hey, ladies. No need to get all rind in a twist. We all know I'm the trendiest melon around here with my chic, coral-like interior. Honeydew and watermelon, stay out of this, cantaloupe. Hush. All of us are very healthy and delicious melons. Stay happy and healthy. Please watch my next nutritious video. From ancient offerings to modern-day delicacies, honeydew has truly stood the test of time, delighting taste buds and nourishing bodies for centuries. Oh, honeydew in poetry and rhyme, we sing your praise, it's your time to shine. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.